Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: Betterment versus Robinhood. Which one is the best fit for your investing needs in 2025? If you're just starting out or looking to switch platforms, this ultimate comparison will help you decide. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are these platforms? Betterment is a robo-advisor that focuses on automated, hands-off investing. It's perfect for beginners who want a simple way to grow their wealth over time. On the other hand, Robinhood is a trading app that's all about active investing, with commission-free trades and access to stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies. It's like having a stock market at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Starting with fees, Betterment charges a management fee, typically around 0.25% annually, but it offers tax loss harvesting and personalized advice. Robinhood, meanwhile, is mostly free for trades, though they might have premium features that cost extra. This makes Robinhood appealing for frequent traders, while Betterment suits those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. User experience is another big factor. Betterment's interface is clean and educational, with tools to help you set financial goals and track progress. Robinhood is more dynamic, with real-time market data and social features, but it can feel overwhelming for newbies. Security-wise, both platforms are solid, using encryption and FDIC insurance, but Robinhood has faced some controversies in the past, so always do your due diligence. When it comes to investment options, Betterment emphasizes diversified portfolios with low-cost ETFs, ideal for long-term growth. Robinhood shines for day traders with its margin trading and crypto access. So, who should use which? If you're a beginner focused on retirement or passive income, go with Betterment. If you're an active trader chasing quick gains, Robinhood might be your pick. In 2025, with evolving market trends, both have their perks, but the best choice depends on your risk tolerance and goals. I recommend starting with a small investment on either platform to see what works for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep building that financial future together.